It's a vicious circle with war in the Middle East, fuel prices climbing, fewer flights with high demand, and in the center of it all, it's you and your travel plans. Israel, Iran, and US conflict has spread across West Asia. Due to the conflicts in the Middle East region, security concerns have increased in the airspace. So, here are 5 things for you to know before you start booking your air travel this summer. Air travel works like a global web. So, when one major region is disrupted, it creates a domino effect across the world. Airlines that normally fly over the Iran-Israel corridor are rerouting, rearranging schedules, or cancelling their services. Parallelly, the war has led to a sharp spike in oil prices, which has led to airlines levying a jet fuel surcharge on your ticket prices. When airlines are forced to avoid a certain airspace, it means that airlines will take longer routes to reach their destination, leading to aircrafts burning more fuel, taking stops to refill fuel, and increase in crew operation costs. For airlines, fuel, of course, is the single largest operating charge. The average global jet fuel price has already surged by 58% within a week. Amid the war crisis, Brent crude prices have also increased by $120 per barrel. This increases operating costs for airlines significantly, which has led to introduction of fuel surcharge on your flight tickets. As airlines opt for different routes, it has led to several flight cancellations and rescheduling of flights. But the travel demands remain strong. The reduced capacity with higher travelers has created a supply-demand imbalance. So as a traveler, what should you do? First things first, brace yourselves for a higher flight prices until the war settles. If you're planning to travel this summer, you should expect higher international ticket prices, limited flight operations on certain routes, longer travel time due to rerouting, and possible delays or cancellations. Few analysts have predicted that flight surcharge is temporary if global conditions stabilize. But if tensions persist, you might be looking at higher ticket prices and unpredictable flight schedules.